So it was ham, garlic, and onions, black peppercorns, ginisa. Then we're waiting for tomatoes and green beans to put when the green beans are tender. They're here, right here. Making it tender. Ay, mainit. Ayan. Antayin lang natin lumambot, and then we're gonna put this in here together. And we're gonna put the tomatoes now. Check po natin ang beans kung ano na ba. Malambot na. Ako chopstick pa, oh. They call soft. Hindi pa. Wait for, maybe 5 more minutes. Tomatoes on the go. Halo-haloin po natin para ma-mix. We're gonna cook the tomatoes, and then we're gonna put the green beans together. So we're gonna put the lid right now, and then wait for another 5 minutes.
Do we have a slotted spoon?
Now we're putting the green beans to the other side. Mix it together with the Tagalog word soup mix.
Halo.
That's right. So, natimplahan na po namin. Hindi na kami naglagay ng ng salt or something. Kasi yung ham may siya, may maalat na siya. Umiiwas po tayo sa salty food. So, ayan. And then we're gonna be cooking it like for another simmer, right? Simmer for 15 minutes. And I'll see you later. Simmer down to very low speed, like this. Slow speed. Low fire. No speed. Ayan. Ipipares po natin sa green beans itong trout daw ito. Trout fish. Tama ba? Mukha siyang salmon kasi red. Ha? Pink? Makulay na pink. Iluluto ko sa air fryer. That's how it looks after 15 minutes. Now we're putting it to the air fryer. And then it's ready to go. Naglagay ako ng foil para less scrubbing na lang mamaya. I'll see you in a minute. Now we're putting it to the air fryer. Lock and loaded. Then we put the timer. Nandito sa labas ang ko kasi mabaho sa loob. We put it on the fish side. There you go for 15 minutes. Go and start. Ayan, tapos na. Tingnan natin. Wow. Eto na po. Kain tayo. Yan yung beans. The other one and one. Maganda yun, kakabsat.